Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this rainy day Pusheen. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a line across for the bottom of the hat. Then from the ends, let's curve it up and in. And then another line across at the top. Now let's move underneath, let's step in and let's draw a curve down, around, and over for the shape of the head. And then hop on top and let's draw the ears with a curve up and back down on the left and the same on the right. And then in between the ears, let's draw a curve across for the top of the hat. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the face. Let's start with two curves for the mouth. And then two circles for the eyes. And now let's color them both in black. And lastly for the face, let's add two whiskers on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a curve out and up on both sides. Then underneath, let's draw a line down. Then add a circle for the first button. One more line down. And one more button underneath. Now let's move over and let's draw a curve down on the left. And then for the right side, let's start next to the hat and let's draw a curve over and bring it down. Now let's move back in under the button and let's draw a curve down and out on both sides to close off the bottom of the jacket. And lastly for the jacket, let's add a pocket inside. We'll start with a line across and a U-shaped curve underneath. Now let's move underneath and let's finish drawing the rest of the body. Let's move in slightly from the end and let's draw a curve down and in. And the same on the right side. And then connect them at the bottom. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the feet. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a small line down. Then curve it out and back in. And then one more line to close off the back side. Now let's add another foot next to it on the right in the same way. And then two more feet at the back. Lastly, for the body, let's add the tail. Let's move to the right side and let's draw a curve up, bring it around and back in. And then add 4 curves inside for the stripes. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the rain puddle. On the bottom left, let's draw a wavy line out and curve it back in. Now let's bring it down, over, and up on the right side. And lastly, let's add some vertical lines for the rain. And that's it for Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!